Early this morning, a lot of folks in central Alabama, back in Mississippi, had a surprising wind gust in the wake of showers. It's called a wake low. Let's talk about how it forms and what it means. Here's a look at the radar loop from early this morning. Now, at first you might not notice anything, but you look and there's two areas where the backside of the rain cave in, just south of Tuscaloosa and then off to the north, right around the Coleman area. And essentially, these are two smaller lows. You know, we have big low pressure centers that have storm systems. You also get these microscale or mesoscale. It just means on the smaller side that form on the back edge of showers. So how does it all work? Well, we had our swath of rain, okay? Out in front of it, we're warm. Out behind it, we're cool. Low pressure associated with warm air, and you have cooler air and a high pressure behind it. So as this line of showers evolves, we eventually develop a bit of a temperature discrepancy. You have cool air behind it, but you also have the cool air where it's raining. And all of a sudden you have this rushing effect on the small scale, and you'll get gusty winds going in the opposite direction that the showers or the thunderstorms would be going. So here we typically see rain moving from west to east, a typical movement of showers, of thunderstorms. So here's your profile. There's the rain, warm air out in front of it, and then the cool air falling with the rain, okay? As it evolves, you have relatively warmer and drier air on the backside, and that will intensify with the change in our temperatures as we move forward. And eventually what we're going to end up having is on the backside, this cooler air, which is more dense, will be rushing towards warmer low pressure. And that pressure gradient is what gives us those strong winds. They can be very brief, but damaging, 45, sometimes 55 miles an hour. And we saw that early this morning.